Once again, we're in a new location here in fabulous Montana. It's one of my favorite places in the world so far. It's really awesome. We're at a place called Dailey Lake. It's kind of hard to find. It's a campground. There's a pit toilet right here. Toilet paper in my hand. Yeah, we spent the night here last night. It was really windy, so I wasn't able to like video much because there was so much wind. But I'm just gonna walk back to the van here, show you what our view looks like on this lake. It's pretty amazing. In this field, there's tons of grasshoppers. I'm gonna walk so you can see them all getting out of my path. See if you can see them. They all scatter as soon as I come through. There's the bread truck and the transit's behind it. The bread truck's girlfriend. And this is our view down here on the lake. We met my buddy Asa and his family out here. And that's the white squid towing his fifth wheel right next to us. He was nice enough to save us a spot. I really like this truck. It's really fast. And there's the bread truck and the transit. There's a bunch of kids here. They're having fun out on the lake. Eden's in the kayak right now. Looks like he's loving it.
I actually had onto the boat, but I let down.
Eden's just trying to impress the girls. He's like cruising past them, like he's driving his car.
Hey ladies.
Hey ladies.
You like my ride?
You know what they say.
He's done it like 3 times, and the girls are like,
What do they say?
what do they say?
Inappropriate. Excuse me. No, I think that's them right there. Yeah. No.
Preston.
Look how they come out of the water even.
Oh, these guys can jump like 100 feet in the air.
Come here, puppy. Dog sitter? Huh? Want to dry off her paw? Shake it off. Oh, Paul. Look what you got out of your chair. Look what you did.
Now I got an Abbott in my chair, huh? That's pretty cool. I died I remember we were coming back from work one day in the truck, and I was like, look at that rainbow. It was like end to end, full rainbow. And you're like, that rainbow's always there. What?
You've told that story so many times.
I know, I love it. It's like you're almost like pissed at the rainbow. Like, that rainbow. You're on YouTube. You don't want to be on YouTube? He does.
Your pink shirts and your war paint? Your war paint?
Do a cartwheel. Can you do a cartwheel?
No. I can't.
I could never do a cartwheel either.
You got rid of the red one, huh?
I'll be back.
The file's pretty sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
I didn't find it. Someone gave it to me and my grandfather.
Nice. So you can whittle some wood. Hey, do you know if you use the corner of that file, it'll do cool shapes? Yeah, like this. Let me show you a trick. Watch this. Give me a piece of file on. Like this. Watch if you go like you can. See what I'm saying? You
Although I probably won't be
See
able
what
to
I'm
use it
saying?
because the wind's so high that it's just gonna be like so loud. But I could just use it for like other shots.
Just get shut off.
Hey, Abbott. Abbott.
He's looking at.
There he is.
Hey, don't do that because you know what? Now you're gonna set that thing down. That's enough. Drop it. You're gonna set that thing down, and he's gonna take it from you. So you better hide it. You see what I'm saying? Like he's sneaky like that. He'll wait until you set it down and then go chew it out.
Who's a buddy?
Where's my knife?
Who's a buddy?
Oh, you have a knife?
That file's cool. You should use that thing.
Thanks.
He's putting it on in for camera.
Hamming it up.
Yeah, I did.
Hey Paul, can I
Huh?
hook up your Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
What's your password?
I gotta show it to you.
No.
It's like a bunch
We're
of.
not doing the.
4? I'll give you the first and last one. Oh,
Emergency.
Yeah. I would have one. Totally.
bro, what's happening?
I don't know.
I'm going to
Starting up Paul.
What is
He was a branch back in the day.
Recording.
No.
Look, I am.
Ask him questions.
How old are you, Paul?
I'm 43 years old.
What's your favorite thing to do in the summer?
Keep it clean.
Viewer
Find
discretion
cool
is
spots.
Shade.
Try to find coolness. Yeah.
Move off the
This is
land.
really hot in the summer.
What is your favorite thing to do, sir?
Keep it clean.
My favorite thing?
This is a family-friendly channel.
Ride the rat rod.
Okay, could you explain that for us, please? Go and check out his channel. It's called barnsharks.com.
You're a natural.
No, not
kid.
barnsharks.com. Barnsharks.
Barn Sharks on YouTube. The rusty truck.
Now go. What's up, Scully? Oh, God. Are you live? What's
No.
up, YouTube?
well,
I'm just seeing what's going on.
I'll use your camera.
Rusty truck video. That's the second biggest one yet.
I just prank called Hooters.
Hey, he just prank called Hooters.
Hope the police don't come after you. It's recording right now.
Man, he's got a full beard. He must be
Oh, yeah.
Santa.
It's Santa. I know him.
We should braid his beard.
What's up, guys? We're calling Chick-fil-A. They're not answering.
Like 4 little tins. Or can we just play with the box?
Still not answering, you guys.
Box goes right here, right?
Nope. Not at all.
Please, bro. I'm
Why do you
calling.
only have like Chick-fil-A?
I'm gonna call back.
I'm gonna take these over to the little tent thing.
Yes, sir.
So if you wanna
Play
check
with
them
them?
out over
Okay,
there.
we'll be over there in a
I'm gonna
few.
bring these too, so we can put them on these.
Okay. 1-0. 1-0. That's what I'm
Just wait.
I want to press 1-0. That's what I
Do you
pressed.
have any underwear on? Hello?
Hello? Guys, I'm recording. They just hanged up. What should we call?
Wait.
What you doing, Polly?
I'm just trying to open a pack of delicious turkey bacon. I got it. No problem.
What's the package say?
It says, peel here, easy open.
Yeah, was it so easy?
It was very difficult for being easy. Let's just say that. It could be my capacities or a little bit.
So what you're saying, easy isn't always best?
Yeah, that could be considered to be true. Do you usually do half pieces
I guess.
or whole pieces?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. You ever notice that turkey bacon smells a little like dog food?
It smells a little like bologna. Which probably smells a little like dog food.
Yeah, that's a lot like bologna. Bologna!
Maybe we should put our toothbrushes away. Not that I used mine yet.
You gotta do my Montana kayak video. I'm going out in Aza's kayaks. Can't really film and paddle at the same time. Maybe I can hold it between my... Ooh, look at that. There we go. Water on the GoPro already. Bye! Yeah, if I fall out of this thing, I'm never getting back in. No way. No freaking way. Yeah, if we teamwork it, maybe.
Come out though once you get going.
Oh, I could rock this thing. Yeah. I'm holding it between my knees. It's gonna get old real quick. I don't know if that'll hold either. There we go. Look at that. Okay. I can't do that for very long. You didn't know I could burn out like that.
I was a little bit scared there for a minute. You're coming in hot.